This isn't just a routine eviction case, it's a legal pressure cooker. On one side, a mobile home park claims a tenant has become a serious problem. On the other, Travis Miller insists he's being targeted and pushed out without cause. The judge is dealing with unclear filings, missing police reports, and allegations that could completely change the outcome of this case.
Because the pleadings weren't very clear. Mr. Kromendijk, you wish to speak to that?
Yes, we're waiting on getting some police reports pursuant to a FOIA request and are still waiting on those. And we've been waiting for quite some time. So I don't have those now. It is my understanding that the police have been at the park related to Travis's behavior a number of times recently. In addition to that, I've got a couple of notes here, and Mr. Dave Elliott is present regarding some altercations with Travis and Dave, who was doing some maintenance at the park, threatening, Travis was threatening Dave. I've also got a couple of voicemails to another park manager that were fairly threatening, and some complaints from neighbors as well.
Well, Mr. Miller, that doesn't sound very good. What's your response?
Threatening me, you mean?
Are you Travis Miller?
Yeah. Yes, sir, I am.
All right. Well, they want you to move out. What do you think of that?
I'm not moving out nothing. They don't have no reason to kick me out. I didn't do nothing wrong.
But I can't wash it full now. Yes.
Dave is the problem.
Sometimes more cleaning power. Plus, it contains plenty of food.
You are, bud.
I have been in contact with Meg as well. She just isn't present today.
We have an attorney.
She is on a bench trial right now, so she's not present today.
I spoke to Meg last
All right.
week.
Well, here's what I can tell you from my files, Mr. Kromendijk. Mr. Miller was charged with domestic violence second offense in 2 file 911 SM, pled to disturbing the peace in front of Judge Patterson. Excuse me. And he hasn't paid the fine. Then in the most recent case, 251627, charged with resisting and obstructing a police officer and domestic violence from August of 25. He's on probation from Judge Patterson here at the court. That is file 251627. He isn't making his payments in that either.
His probation officer told him to pay for his anger management class and everything before he started his paying on his fines.
This is where the case takes a sharp turn. When the judge begins referencing criminal records, probation, and unpaid fines, the eviction stops being just about housing and becomes about behavior and risk to the community. But legally, allegations alone aren't enough. The court will need proof that these incidents actually happened at the park and justify termination of tenancy.
Was that second one 25911?
SM, that was a disturbing the peace. I believe that was at the park.
Okay.
It was between me and Travis.
Yes. And I believe the other one was also at the park.
Yes, between me and Travis,
right.
because my nosy neighbor.
Well, apparently they don't want you to be there anymore. They'd like you to move your trailer and go away. The law says you're entitled to have a second hearing in this matter. And you allege that you have contacted Megan Bauer, which means we're probably going to have a hearing, but let's pick a date, Mr. Kromendijk. Next Monday seems to be good. We're through the Thanksgiving holiday. And
That's gone.
Next
so
Monday, the
that would
8th?
be- Yes,
It would need to be
At-
in the afternoon for me.
2 o'clock. Does that work for you?
That will work.
Continue to December 8th. 2025 at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock. May
And I will-
ultimately get a hearing.
In between now and then, I will send in
It was stuck thinking about it.
Some of the voicemails I have and other documentation.
All right. All right, Mr. Millerans and Miss Bailey, let me
Yeah.
repeat. They want you to move. They want you to take
Right.
your trailer out of their park and leave. And if they got what they asked for, next week, I would give you 10 days from December 11th to move the trailer and 90 days, or 10 days to get out, 90 days to move or sell the mobile home. We may need to actually have a hearing on this before we get to that point.
Yeah,
I'll pull the police
speaking of
reports
that.
from those other two cases that I quoted and see if they happened at the park. At any rate, you stay in contact with legal aid. If they are going to represent you, they'll file an appearance. But we will be back here next Monday by Zoom at 2:00.
Your Honor.
I
Yes.
think Meg said she'll be gone on the 8th.
Well,
And
if she's
she's,
gonna file an appearance, she knows what she needs to do.
Oh, okay.
If you are
I'm
able
not
to,
Go ahead.
if you're able to get copies of those police reports, is there any way that I could get a copy of them as well?
Yes, if they did happen at the park, I will email them to you.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Well, what
All
is
right, thank you.
what are these?
I'll
What
see
are these
you,
police
both
reports
next week.
about?
What?
What are these police reports about?
I don't know yet. One was the DV between you and Randy at the park.
That has
Back in
nothing to
August.
do with nothing.
Yeah, the allegations on that paper
That was
involve
against
him
Dave.
and Dave.
But Dave don't like me. That's the only reason why they're trying to get me out of here.
Well, all right, that's one reason, I guess.
Yeah, well,
Um,
they're gonna have fun because I ain't going nowhere.
Okay, well,
My trailer's too old to be moved. No trailer out
yes,
here
they
can be
generally
moved.
are. You'd have 10 days to move it
I've
or sell.
Been here for
30
11
days.
years.
All right, well.
And I
this will be
also paid
fun.
my rent today.
Say that again?
They're
I-
taking my rent money?
I paid my rent today.
Well, they're not supposed to take your rent once they file a motion to terminate
Well,
your
I've been
tenancy.
paying my rent every month faithfully. I
That
paid
could be an issue, Mr.
$474 last night.
All right, we'll address that.
Yeah, I'll have to take a look at the ledger. It's an online payment system, Your Honor. So
At this stage, nothing is final, but the stakes couldn't be higher. If the court sides with the park, the tenant could have as little as 10 days to leave and 90 days to move or sell a mobile home that may not even be movable. If procedural mistakes are proven, the eviction could be delayed or denied altogether. This case highlights how quickly housing disputes can turn into life-altering legal battles. Backhand index pointing right if you found this courtroom breakdown intense. Make sure to hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real, no-nonsense courtroom analysis.